Smart tu kita baru sign memorandum of agreement. So concept is that the memorandum of agreement will spell out later on in a proper contract between Proton Eda and Smart untuk Proton Eda untuk import, distribute dan servis smart car di Malaysia dan di Thailand. That's the first step. The second step now is we are now looking into the detailed contract. You say just like in terms of what is the price structure, what is the model features. Of course, we already know the model, but with the memorandum of agreement will give us more information, detailed information about the product. Because in order for us to distribute, we must know what are the product features and how we're going to market the product, as well as the pricing structure. So that's the beginning.
That memorandum of agreement tu arising daripada Proton cari bisnes baru ke atau macam mana?
Yes, that's also an opportunity for us to look for a new business. And when we look into smart, first is because the EV, because this is also in line with the government direction. When the government announced late last year also about the exemption on for the EV cars, on the duty tax, so that's giving the opportunity for us to distribute the EV car initial stage. Because you see currently the EV car customers, the EV car segment customers, they are still at the premium level. Okay, and also we look into the certain infrastructure also still limited. So by entering agreement into Smart, we could look first, Smart is a brand, a well-known brand, and second is this is the fastest time that we could penetrate into the EV market together with Geely. Because Geely, Smart also part of Geely, Proton also part of Geely. So we leverage on this our shareholders for the benefit of Proton as well as benefit for the Malaysian customers. And also in terms of investment also, we just focus on the distributing instead of involved in the R&D. So this is something like the quick things that we want to achieve. And second also, by entering into this agreement also, we will study further what is the best method for us to sell this EV. Are we going to use the traditional way, like utilizing this, for example, Setia Gemilang or outlet? For that, I cannot make announcement yet when, but I think with the clarity of the government incentive, that the team also having something on the drawing board to look certain range of the category. For example, we could have the premium category, or we could have the mid-size, or we could have the entry model. So we're looking into which area or which segment that we could penetrate with the latest design. So now we have a few candidates that we look into on the drawing board, and we are analysing what is the basic requirement for this EV car to the Malaysian, because whether the 300km range is enough, or whether 500, but this also will determine the price. So that's something that, and also we got to look what is next on the government announcement on the incentive, what's next on the infrastructure development, which I think the government also studying into that also, detail, who's the party involved, and a lot of ideas, think tank has been discussed at the government level to support this initiative.
So does Proton have an EV strategy yet, new energy vehicle strategy yet, and ada timeline that you will share with us?
Yeah, we do have. Sorry, at the moment I cannot reveal the timeline. We do have the timeline, but it's good for internal. That's why I think the moment we finalize the distributorship agreement with Smart, for example, we could elaborate more. Because that the distributorship agreement is just like a beginning of overall of the timeline. So, otherwise, it's too early, too premature. And, internally, yes.
Okay, my last question.
Smart coming with different proposal, and also we look into the brand, like I say. The other one that we see there's something quite new. So it's quite difficult for us to introduce and how to market at initial stage. That's why we start. Maybe Smart Smart is the beginning,
Right.
because there are more models on the delivery which we could take advantage later on as we move on. So let's start step by step. Of course, for example, Polestar is available. We also looking into that opportunity as well. But for us, let's start with Smart first. While we look on how we move, because otherwise, if we work with too many brands or too many models, and we are not ready internally, so we have to make sure we clear with how is our strategy, how is the Malaysian acceptance, then we can come with a new model.
While Polestar is a new model, but in the EV world, Polestar is much better known than Smart.
Yeah.
And they've got so much positive reviews,
Correct.
so I would have thought that would be an easier.
Okay, but I think another is we must look at the pricing structure, pricing positioning, and also the product requirement. So actually, both models have been properly evaluated. So at least we start with this one first, then we
Okay.